Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing kitchen gadget that will elevate your cooking experience to new heights. We found the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 and the Precision Vacuum Sealer, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0? It's a state-of-the-art sous vide device that harnesses the power of precise temperature control to cook your food in a water bath. This technique, pronounced sous vide, ensures that your meals are cooked evenly from edge to edge, virtually eliminating the risk of overcooking. Whether you're a novice cook or an experienced chef, this tool can help you achieve restaurant-quality results right in your own kitchen. One of the standout features of this third-generation model is its dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to control and monitor your cooking remotely through the Anova app on your mobile device. You can browse recipes, check cooking times, and adjust temperatures all from your phone. The device also boasts a two-line touchscreen display for quick and easy access to your cooking settings. The Anova Precision Cooker is perfect for anyone who loves to cook, whether you're preparing a casual weeknight dinner or an ambitious weekend feast. It's suitable for a range of foods, including chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, and pork. The sous vide method locks in flavor and moisture, resulting in textures and tastes that are simply unmatched. Additionally, the Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer is designed to complement the cooker perfectly. It comes with 50 pre-cut bags that are incredibly easy to use. With their tough 7-layer double-rib design, these bags ensure efficient air extraction while keeping your food safe and fresh. Plus, they are BPA-free, so you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that your meals are free from harmful chemicals. Practical use cases for this set are endless. Imagine sealing and cooking a tender steak to perfection, or meal prepping a week's worth of healthy lunches in advance. The vacuum sealer not only helps with sous vide cooking but also allows you to store food for later use, making it a great tool for busy individuals or families. In summary, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0 and Precision Vacuum Sealer bring professional quality cooking right to your kitchen. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, it's perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking or wants to explore new culinary techniques. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.